Scheduled meeting between the US President Donald Trump and Pakistan's Army Chief General Asim Munir has drawn considerable attention in the diplomatic circles, with the analyst calling it a rare and a significant development in the US-Pakistan relations. Michael Kuginman, a South Asia expert at the Wilson Center, noted that while senior US officials often interact with the Pakistan military leaders, it is extremely rare for such engagements to be hosted at the White House by a US president. All-party Hurriyat Conference has said that the Modi-led Indian regime is enforcing a dangerous policy of the religious apartheid in occupied Kashmir, where Muslims are subjected to restrictions, mass surveillance, and systematic suppression. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said Kashmiri Muslim religious events are frequently denied permission or disrupted under the pretext of the security concerns. Thousands of fathers in occupied Kashmir have lost their sons to the brutal occupation of the Kashmir by India. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service in connection with the Father's Day, which is celebrated globally on the third Sunday in June, said the unending India state terrorism over the past 36 years has rendered 107,983 children orphaned and 22,983 women widowed in the territory since 1989. A group of 9 international human rights organizations have jointly called for the immediate release of the human rights defender Khurram Parvez, a globally respected human rights defender from the occupied Kashmir. The demand for the release of the Kashmiri human rights defender was made through a letter addressed to the Indian government by the Amnesty International and other human rights organizations in connection with the 48th birthday of the Khurram Parvez. Puppet Chief Minister Umar Abdullah has said that this year's restriction on the helicopter service for the Amarnath Yatra is unusual and could send a wrong message across India. Talking to reporters outside the Srinagar airport after receiving the first batch of the Hajj pilgrims returning from Saudi Arabia, Umar Abdullah said, Amarnath Yatra is a good thing. We also want the Yatra to go well. The only strange thing is that this time the helicopter service is not being allowed. Kashmiri students stranded in Iran, many of them moved to Qom, are forced to live in 45 degrees Celsius temperature as the Indian government has almost doing nothing practical for their immediate evacuation. Saima travelled around 200 kilometers from Tehran with hundreds of other students for the safety in the new city, she said while talking to Srinagar-based newspaper over the phone from Qom.